I like to take a minute to introduce you to a versatile do-it-yourself project that many do-it-yourself enthusiasts have been taking on, building a plunge pool. This straightforward project can save you tens of thousands of dollars in costs over a typical, commercially built pool. This close to being completed plunge pool is outfitted with a set of spa jets and serves as a dual-purpose hot tub and plunge pool. If you like water features, they can also be added to these projects. A water feature can be any classic waterfall style or fountain-type water fixture. Here are a couple of examples of plunge pools with a common waterfall feature. Interestingly, waterfall features are relatively simple to make rather than buying one. In Custom-Built Spa's information package, there is an instructional section that shows you exactly how to make a simple waterfall feature for pennies on the dollar, compared to a bought unit. Plunge pools can be block construction or poured walls. Shown here is a 12-foot by 14-foot plunge pool constructed with standard-size cement block, including built-in interlocking wall support columns for added wall integrity. From this point you would install all your appropriate fittings, then apply both inside and outside waterproofing coatings. Finish processes would include plumbing testing, tiling if you choose to use it, insulation and final landscape dress-up work. Many plunge pools can be completed for a cost in the $10,000 to $12,000 range or less. That same small pool commercially built could have easily cost you in excess of $30,000. There is an interesting added benefit of building your own plunge pool. In many areas, this type pool could easily add equity value to your home that exceeds your total cost to build the plunge pool, essentially giving you over 100% return on your investment. How nice is that?
If you would like more information and instructions for building your own small pool or plunge pool, go to the Custom Built Spa's website, www.custombuiltspas.com, and click on Instant Access. This information package consists of 2 instructional videos and 8 highly detailed publications for building spas, hot tubs, swim spas, small pools, plunge pools, exercise pools, and cocktail pools. Just fill in the posted customer form, and your information package will arrive in minutes. Thanks so much for stopping by.